Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in this one we're going to be doing this set of nails that I showed you in my last video. And yeah, I just want to say before we move on, if you did like this video, please give it a like. If you're not already a subscriber, please consider subscribing. So yeah, this video I'm using some Madam Glam gel polishes, and I did feature this set in my last video because I did create some of this with my new nail templates that I've just brought out. So I do have an Etsy shop where I'm selling those, so if you want to check that out, the link will be in the comments and in the description box. Also, you'll find my 35% off code from Madam Glam. So I'm using Autumn Aura, I'm using Astral Projection on this middle nail, and then I'm using the Purple Era on the pinky finger. So these are all from Madam Glam's House of Giving collection, which was November's collection. So yeah, I've done that 2 coats of that on all of those nails, and then I'm using number 4 of my practice sheets, and I'm using the leaf design, the biggest one, and I'm just going over the stem twice, and then I'm just popping it in the lamp just to flash cure it, because all the leaves are coming off the stem, so that needs to be sort of the strongest part in the design. So then I'm just going in, colouring in all those leaves in the same colour, and this is also from the House of Giving collection. This is Divine Glam, I think it's called, this colour, this brown. So when I've done that, I pop it back in the lamp again and I cure it for a full 60 seconds. And then you can see it's all coloured in. So then I'm just going to get my tweezers, and I have, I did this off camera, I have already top coated over that design first, so you can see it there. So that's created a sticker, so I'm just putting the tweezers onto the top coat so as not to damage the design, and just peeling it gently off. So you can cut around your sticker if you want to, just to make sure there's less of the clear showing, because it does help if you do that. It helps to stick it down a bit more so that it's not sticking up. So I do use the silicone end of my tweezers just to press that down onto the nail. It does already have the sticky layer from the gel polish on it, but you can wipe that off and put a base coat on if you prefer and cure that. So I'm doing exactly the same on the pointer finger, but I'm putting the leaves on the nail the other way around, just to make it a little bit different, and then I'm pressing that on as well. And then when I've pressed it on, off camera I do just cover it in a base coat just to make sure that it's not going anywhere. And then I'm using the same design template, and I'm using the cloud design, and I'm doing the outline on this first. Now I haven't put any top coat onto this first, so when I've done the outline and I've cured it all for 60 seconds, I go over with this Milky Way colour, and this is also from the House of Giving collection. If you noticed, I did wipe over the design with alcohol on a wipe, just so that the black gel polish doesn't mix in with the other colour, because it can do if there is you know, a dispersion layer on it, which there is on gel polish. If it's a very dark pigmented colour, then it can transfer into your other colours. So again, I'm using the tweezers just to pry it off, and it is easier when you've not got sort of fine edges on your design. You can use it without a base coat or a top coat. So then I wanted this, I used the Milky Way because it's more of a grey colour. I wanted this cloud to be grey, not white. And then I wanted to put some rain coming off the clouds because it's autumn, and in the UK in autumn all we get is rain, and that's what it's been like for this autumn. I don't know what it's like near you, but in this country where I am, it's just rain, rain, rain. So I thought, right, that's going on these nails. And then on the pinky finger, I'm just using the Milky Way just to colour in the corner of the nail. And then I'm using another colour from the House of Giving, and that's called Pure Nature. It's a green, and I'm just doing a stripe with that one above that white. And then I'm just going in with my dotting tool, and I'm using the brown to do some dots near the leaves, and then I'm using Pure Nature just to put a bit of grass at the bottom of the nail. And then those are all done, so I'm just going to top coat them. So yeah, these nail templates are really good if you're not very good at doing freehand, or you don't like doing freehand sort of on a bare nail, because it can be hard to do it just from memory. So if you want to see how else you can use these sheets, if you go to my previous video, the link will be in the description box, and you can see some other ways of using them and how you can order them. So I really love the way these nails turned out. I did have them matte at first, but then I changed my mind and I like them glossy instead. So yeah, like I said before, if you do like this video, please give it a like. If you're not already a subscriber, please consider subscribing. And thank you if you've already had a look or bought some of these templates already. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. So thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.